I can have some chocolate at that thing. Mama, I can have some chocolate at that thing. Me too, but you're not going to have my round chocolate.
Okay, go ahead. Sing your song. Go ahead.
A, B, C, I butter. Next time won't sit with me.
Great job.
Chocolate now.
Okay, how old are you?
3.
3. What's your name?
Liza K. Jensen.
What's your sister's name?
Lydia.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye.